Bmw 318i Ecu replacement. Original Ecu was water damaged. Customer called us in regards to the vehicle not starting. We came on site, found out the Ecu to be full of water. Full replacement carried out. Vehicle running back up again. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Perfectly fine. No fault codes. Give it a rest. Give us a call on 07903 777 584. We do a kind of various EC replacements, specifically on BMW. We do quite many of these MSD81s, MSD80s. They get flooded purely because of the design flaw within BMWs. Give us a call 07903 777 584 if you require any ECU replacements. Thank you.
Vemos salida de inyectores y de bobina. Podemos ver cómo está trabajando el inyector.